This has a very simple design. It is actually able to test both coolant and antifreeze, which is kind of cool. So basically what you're going to want to do is stick this tube piece into the reservoir. Well, obviously you're going to want to push this out and then pull it in to the reservoir in here. And there's a liquid fill line right up here. And once you have it up to the fill line, this little red thing that's in here will actually move up. You can kind of see to where your coolant or your antifreeze is supposed to be at. So typically it even tells you where it wants. It recommends -37. So you're going to want it pointing right about here. And then the same thing, I think this one is 129. So you're going to want it pointing right about here. This is a very simple antifreeze slash coolant tester. So I think if you're looking to quickly and efficiently test your antifreeze slash coolant, this is a great way to go. And the fact that it's reusable, just a double up, you know, double great, double happy. I think this is definitely the way to go.